Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel, and this video I'm going to show you how I clone this website into 5 minutes. Let's jump into it. Last week I showed you my full workflow how I design with AI, and I test tools like Aura.build, Lovable, and V0 using the same exact process to compare the result and see which one is the best. I was building a prompt template library from scratch, but this week something completely changed my workflow. Meng, the creator of Aura.build, adds a new feature that honestly changed everything. Just type the website on the chat and you will see Explore. Click on it. You can now take any URL and turn it into a full design system. It generates a design.md, capture the entire landing page, and recreate it pretty accurately. So now, instead of starting from scratch, I can use real website as a starting point. For example, last week I could have used the Framer Marketplace and the Design MD. You get everything you need for the design system and overview, color, typography, elevation, component, do and don't, and all the assets used on the page. So, all right, I get a pretty accurate version of the Framer Marketplace page, which can be a great starting point for me. But since I already built my prompt template library, I don't really want to keep working on that anymore. So, I'm going to try something else. Okay, so now I want to try website that I like. And just to be clear, I'm not trying to copy the design. What I care about is extracting the structure and the design system, not the final visual. I'm not expecting to get something better than the original website. But if I can get a solid layout and a strong system to build from, that's a very huge win. I have the full screenshot of the landing page. Of course, we can take screenshots section by section, but honestly, it's too long and sometimes you cannot attach too much images at the same time. So this picture is a game changer. And here is the design MD. I used to create my own design system for each template I made. So this is very interesting and helpful. For example, if you like the design system but not the structure, you can reuse it for another template or the other way around. I can take this screenshot, use one of my own design system with a paid RD and skill and build from there. So let's see the result. Nice. I just cloned Linear. It's actually one of the best starting point I can use. The key is not to copy it linear, but to turn it into your own product. So let's adapt it. First, define your product clearly. Okay, I'm just going to adapt it into a subscription OS, a central system to manage everything related to subscription. Okay, so the branding and the text should change, but I think it will keep the same structure because I only enter a sample prompt, and with a sample prompt, you will get not a lot of change. But after that, I can go section by section. So the landing page is adapt to the new product and brand, but the structure still feel a bit too similar to Linear. Even if Linear is more polished, I don't want it to be too obvious. So I'm going to modify it. Either you keep the structure and change the style. Linear is very minimal, mostly outline with no effect. Or you keep the style and change the structure a bit. After that, I refine everything as much as possible in design mode and try to avoid spending too many credits. Anything I cannot do or modify, I prompt. Everything I can do myself, I just handle it, like adding gradient, changing border color, changing images, adding background animation, changing the text, deleting element, and etc. So instead of the outline style, I'm going to add gradient to the card, add border,
add pricing section, and change the layout to make it feel more different. All right, so that's it for me today. I just want to share this feature with you. See you next time. Bye.